If you've ever needed to perform two tasks on your screen before and you found it so frustrating, you couldn't go back on what you're doing before, so this is actually a game changer. I'll be showing you guys today on how to perform the split screen techniques. Maybe you are taking an online survey and you want to probably use ChatGPT while at the same time you're taking an online survey. This video is also for you as well. So if I head over to Chrome browser now, I'm having a site here, so maybe probably I'm trying to scroll on this site or I'm trying to do anything on this site, and I also want to have ChatGPT also on the same screen with this platform. This is what I will do. Then I'm going to check on this the left corner of this screen, these three dots. So I'm going to click on the three dots. So I've clicked that. I'll scroll down and I'll click on desktop site. So the moment this is on desktop site already, then what I'll need to do next is to minimize my phone. I can minimize the screen. So now this is the screen now I want to split this screen into two, by which I can have my Chrome browser above and have my ChatGPT below. This is what I will do. I will head over and click on this equal to sign. Alright guys, so now that I already clicked on the Google Chrome and I'm on this platform, what I need to do next is to check down and look at the applications I'm having below here. I can see ChatGPT. Now this is the ChatGPT I entered recently. So how are you, maybe the question, and see. Okay, you can perform things both on the upper screen and the screen that is below. None of them are being interrupted. You can click on ChatGPT and check your library, and then you are back again. If you are done with what you are doing on the screen and you want to separate these two different platforms from each other, this is what you do. You either press from this middle up to show you ChatGPT fully, or you do on another way around. If you find this video helpful, ensure to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified on every of our new videos, and ensure to subscribe as well to our channel. Thank you so much.